Okay, let's go.
When you think of the word rich, what comes to mind? Maybe it's a private jet, a mansion with a view, or a bank account that never runs dry. But here's the truth most people miss. Being rich rarely comes from winning the lottery or scoring a massive paycheck. It comes from owning the right assets. Assets are what the rich collect. They work silently in the background, growing in value and generating income while you sleep. The best part? Many of them are accessible to anyone willing to learn and take action. So today, we're diving into 15 assets that are making people rich right now. Some are classic, some are new, all are powerful. Let's jump in. 1. Real estate. Real estate is the OG wealth builder. From rental properties to house flipping, and even real estate investment trusts, REITs. People are creating long-term wealth with property. The key is understanding cash flow, location, and how to leverage equity. Second, dividend stocks. Owning shares in companies that pay you just for holding them? That's dividend investing. Think of companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. It's not flashy, but it's consistent. Over time, dividend reinvestment can snowball into serious wealth. 3. Index funds. Warren Buffett loves these for a reason. Index funds let you own a broad piece of the market with low fees and minimal effort. They outperform most active managers over the long haul, and they're perfect for anyone who prefers a hands-off investing style. 4. Small businesses. Whether it's a brick-and-mortar shop or an online brand, owning a business can change your life. It's risky, yes, but the upside is massive. Entrepreneurs build equity, not just income. If you can solve a problem or offer something valuable, the rewards can be exponential. 5. Intellectual property. Books, software, music, even digital art. Create something once and get paid over and over. Royalties and licensing can become a steady stream of income if you build something people need or love. 6. High-income skills. Not all assets are physical or financial. Skills like sales, coding, writing, or digital marketing can pay you for life. The more rare and in-demand your skills are, the more you can charge for your time and knowledge. 7. Online content. YouTube channels, blogs, digital courses, and newsletters are modern-day gold mines. They take time to build, but once you gain attention, they can turn into automated income machines. And guess what? They're affordable to start. 8. Precious metals. Gold and silver might not make you rich quickly, but they're a great hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Wealthy families often hold a portion of their portfolio in metals for long-term security. 9. Cryptocurrencies. Love them or hate them, crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have created serious wealth. They're volatile and risky, but they've proven their place in the modern investment world. Just don't invest blindly. Know what you're buying and why. 10th. Land. Unlike buildings, land doesn't wear out. It's scarce, and it can be developed, leased, or held as a long-term play. Smart investors look for undervalued land in growing areas and hold it like a long game of chess. 11th. Franchises. Want a business without starting from scratch? Franchises give you a proven system, brand recognition, and built-in support. From fast food to fitness, owning a franchise can be a powerful income stream if you choose wisely. 12. Collectibles. Vintage watches, sneakers, comic books, rare art. Collectibles are growing fast. But don't treat them like lottery tickets. Successful collectors deeply understand their niche and invest for long-term appreciation, not short-term hype. 13. Peer-to-peer lending platforms now allow you to lend money directly to borrowers in exchange for interest. Returns can be attractive, but you're playing banker, so due diligence is key. Diversify, research, and expect some defaults. 14. Royalties and licensing. If you own content or creations, you can license them and get paid for usage. Musicians, writers, and software developers all benefit from this. It takes effort up front, but the payoff can last for decades. 15. Your personal brand. In today's digital world, your reputation is an asset. Whether you're building on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Substack, having a strong personal brand can attract opportunities, partnerships, and income streams that grow with your influence. Final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. Wealth is not just about earning more, it's about owning smarter. The rich don't just trade time for money, they own things that work for them. You don't need to master all 15 of these assets. Just pick a few that match your interests, skills, and risk tolerance. Go deep, be consistent, and think long-term. If this gave you a fresh perspective, tap that like button and subscribe for more real-world financial insight. Drop a comment and let me know. Which of these assets are you building right now? Thanks for watching.